Hi everyone, welcome to e-learning. In this video, I have come up with few more problems on normal distribution. So let us see the problem first. I will read out a problem for you. Average IQ of a group of 800 children is 98. The standard deviation is 8. Assuming normality, find the expected number of children having IQ between 100 and 120. Yes, read the problem carefully and take a note of a particular problem. Then we will move to solving a particular problem. We need to assign name of the particular normal variate, that is, let x denotes IQ of children. Let x denotes IQ of a children. Then x is a normal variate with parameters. You already know we have two parameters for normal distribution, that is mu and sigma. Then here we consider mu, that is average or a mean. Is mu is mean or an average of normal distribution. So here in this particular problem, they mentioned that average IQ of children is 98 and standard deviation is 8. Then G equals to x minus mu divided by sigma, and this we call as standard normal variate of normal distribution, SNV of normal distribution. Then in case of mu and sigma, if you insert a particular values of mu and sigma, that is x minus mu is 98 upon sigma is 8. So this is standard normal variate Z, that is the area of normal distribution. Take a note of this. They have asked you to find out probability that IQ of a children is between 100 and 120. You need to find out the probability of a children, that is the probability that IQ of a children is between 100 and 120. And this line we can convert into probability function, that is probability of 100 is less than x is less than 120. So that is what x is a IQ of a children and x is a normal variate. It is in between 100 and 120. Then this can be written as probability of 100. So instead of x we will write it 100 minus mu is 98 divided by sigma is 8. Less than sign is there, so we will put less than. X is x minus 98 divided by 8 less than. In case of x we will write here 120. 120 minus 98 divided by 8. Then and we need to simplify this. 100 minus 98 is 2 divided by 8 less than x minus 98 divided by 8. This we consider as Z. Less than is there, so I'll take less than. 120 minus 98 is 22 upon 8. Then probability 2 divided by 8 is 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is 1 divided by 4 Instead of 1/4, I will write 0.25 less than z less than 22 upon 8 is 2.75. Then probability of the area, that is z, the area between 0.25 to 0. No 0.25 to 2.75. I will draw this area into the normal distribution curve, so you will understand how it goes. It is a normal distribution curve. In the center I write as 0, so this is left hand side is minus infinite, right hand side is infinite. Then you already know the whole area of a normal distribution is 1. Then the left hand side is 0.5, then right hand side is 0.5. Then here I will mark as 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinite. Here -1, -2, -3 till infinite. Then we need a area between 0.25 to 2.75. It is positive, so I will take right side of the here 0.25, 2.75. So this is the area in between 0.25 to 2.75. Then we cannot find out directly the area in between 0.25 to 2.75. So what we do is we can identify from a table, that is 0.25 also and 2.75 also. So what I will take is I will take area from 0 to 2.75 and I will deduct this area. That is, if you deduct this area from a total area, if you deduct this area, then you will get the area between 0.25 to Thank you.